was on YouTube. Watch TY 38.
Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to this first stop out here in Cool Springs, Tennessee. We are doing a Toyota. I'm not 100% what kind of car this is, but this is the Toyota. Hold on, let me see. Highlander. It's a Toyota Highlander, but we are already knocking out the interior of the car. It got your typical debris plus a little dog hair, stuff like that. Let me give you a quick glimpse of it right now. If you look, you see your typical debris, you know, sticks, twigs, all down the side of the car, all right here, all by the paddle, all under the seat, stuff like that. Got to make sure you wipe down the seats, clean the doors, do the same thing back here. You see it got a little more dog hair back here. So we're gonna go ahead and crack it. We already got this side done, completely done. If it's any debris, it's from because it's blowing over, but we got the car looking good. So go ahead and get it cracking, continue doing what we're doing, man. I hope you're enjoying your day. I hope you're dedicated to whatever you got going on in your life. And if you feel like you're not doing anything sufficient enough, just remember, it's easy to change what you want to do, man. You can change the trajectory of your life at any moment. You just got to find out what it is that you want to do and stick with it. But I'm going to go ahead and get it cracking because it's hot out here today. We got 3 more cars to do. So on that note, continue to be great, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We finally got this first car done. It took a little bit, but I showed you what the interior looked like. It was a little dirty in there, so you know when the car dirty, we also always want to make sure we take our time, make sure we do the car correctly and sufficient. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you a quick glimpse of the interior, let you see what it looked like. Y'all remember it had dog hair literally everywhere, all in the seat, stuff like that. All on the back, all in the carpet, all on the sides and stuff. So we got the car up to par like always. Y'all know we take so much pride over here, Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, and I'm hot. But on that note, we'll go ahead and close it out, head to the next stop, which is probably about 15-20 minutes from here, and then I got one more stop after that, and then I'm done. And then we're gonna go do a little vlogging today. We're gonna go do an episode of Around Nashville at the Black Market, and then we're gonna go do an episode of City Nights tonight. So we got few things to shoot, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue to enjoy my day. I hope you're enjoying your morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you watch this video. And like always, I'm gonna catch you with the next one. Detail World, what it do? What it do? What it do? Man, we out here at the third stop. No, this is the second stop of the day, man. Yeah, it's the second stop of the day. If you look at the front of this car, it is riddled with bugs. Totally riddled. So we're about to go ahead. We already washed this side of the car and did the wheels. So we're about to go ahead on the other side and do the other side. I'm about to do the other side of the car. But you see how dirty those wheels is, man. We're about to go ahead and get it cracking. Like I said, it's a little hot. You know what I mean? So we're gonna spray this with all purpose. All purpose helps them bugs melt. If you see how it's melting. You know what I mean? Yeah, we're going ahead and finish spraying the front of it, man. Go ahead and get it cracking. So, beautiful day. Hope you're having a beautiful day, beautiful month, beautiful week. You know, we only got 6 more months. We only got 5 more months to the end of the year, man. Time is flying. So, these last 5 months, I hope you do what you need to do to make the rest of your year better. But on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing what I need to do. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Detail World, what it do? What it do? What it do? Y'all see all those bugs are gone. Definitely got the bugs off the car. But we got the whole car completely done. Like I said, we knocked out this Chevy Tahoe. Car looking great. Finna go ahead and park it. Got Betsy right there, finna get ready and go home. It's the last car of the day. We're gonna get out here tomorrow, do 3 cars we done. No work for Sunday. But like always, man, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, man. Stay consistent, stay relentless. Remember, one love, love thyself. You can't love anybody without loving yourself. And like always, man, you know what to do. And I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace.
I was on YouTube. Watch TY 38.